Let's take a quick look at the different drying programs on your LG dryer. Cotton. This one's perfect for drying your everyday items like cotton shirts, jeans, linen, or mixed loads. Just keep in mind, it's not meant for delicate fabrics like wool or silk. AI Dry. Here, the dryer works its magic by automatically adjusting the drying times and temperatures based on the type of laundry you have. It's all about optimizing the process to get your clothes just right. Towels. This one's specifically designed for drying towels, so it'll handle those thicker fabrics perfectly. Easy Care. If you've got clothes that don't need ironing, this program's for you. It works best for synthetic fabrics like polyamide, acrylic, and polyester. Allergy Care. Need to deal with allergens like dust mites? This program helps reduce them, making it great if you're sensitive to those kinds of things. Baby Care. For drying baby clothes, this program is ideal. It's designed for a small load of lightweight clothing. Just remember, if you're drying delicate wool items, use the wool program instead. Small load. Got just a few items? This program is perfect for drying light or small loads, up to about 3 items. Duvet. If you're drying bulky things like blankets, comforters, pillows, or even pet bedding, the Duvet program is the way to go. It'll handle these larger items with ease. Bedding Refresh. This is a great one for removing dust from your beddings using just airflow. No heat, just a fresh breeze. Wool. For delicate, shrinkable woolen items or hand-washable clothes, use this program. It's gentle and takes special care of those delicate fabrics. Sportswear. If you're drying special garments like sports or outdoor wear, this is the program you need. It'll take care of your gear so it stays in top shape. Down Jacket Refresh. If you've got a padded jacket that's lost its fluff, this program will restore it without needing to wash it. It's great for keeping your jackets looking fresh. Outdoor Refresh. This one's awesome for restoring the water-resistant quality of outerwear, made from waterproof breathable fabrics like Gore-Tex. It tumbles your clothes on a medium heat to get them back in shape. Download Cycle. Finally, this program lets you download new, special drying cycles directly to your appliance via your smartphone.